Have you ever wanted to capture your baby's first step, even if it ends with a faceplant? With DIMR, even a lost tooth becomes a family event worth saving. Even questionable masterpieces can become priceless memories. And those special voices? You can hold on to them forever. Leave messages for the future, or for whenever your kids start acting up. Even recipes and reactions are worth preserving. Family isn't just about the past. It's about preserving every moment hilarious or heartfelt. Start building your family's legacy today with DIMR.